Hello there, Scott with SkipperBud's. Here's one of our newest listings. It's a 2017 Glastron 205 GTS. This boat is equipped with a tower and speakers, single axle trailer. Does have the extended swim deck on it. We'll jump up on inside, go through the inside of the boat with you. Yeah, we've got the inside. You can see a nice bench seat, two captain's chairs, tower with tower speakers. Nice bow area. Nice seat in the back here. This boat is equipped with the new 4.5 200 horsepower Merc Cruiser. So plenty of power to get you up and going. Boat's rated for 9 people. Nice little walk through here. Storage underneath the helms there. So if you have any further questions, like some interest, give us a shout.